आंखों में अपनी आहट भी तेरी भूल गया, कितना जिया हूँ तन्हा रहा हूँ, इश्क तेरा भूल गया हूँ। खोया रहा साजों में अपनी आहट तेरी भूल गया, कितना जिया हूँ तन्हा रहा हूँ, इश्क तेरा भूल गया। उलझा रहा है जिंदगी में दिल दुहाई, दिल की दुहाई, तेरे बिन दिल मेरा लागे कहीं ना, तेरे बिन जाए जाए कहीं ना। इतने जमाने याद वो रब्बा, याद तू आया, याद तू आया।
दिल का कहा मैं कहीं का ना रहा, क्या कहूँ मैं दिलरुबा, लागे जादू तेरी आँखों का, ये मेरा कातिल हो गया। गुलाबी आँखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया।
You know you want me. from a famous speech from the parliament, you know, this original speech. आदरणीय ममता बहन ने इस जस्टिफाई किया है, उनके सिद्धांत पे हम उंगली नहीं खड़ा कर रहे हैं। क्या ये बात सच नहीं है कि रेल मांगा गया था? तो ममता बनर्जी was visibly hurt, he was inside, तो नहीं मांगा गया था लालू, नहीं मांगा गया था, तो नहीं मांगा है तो नहीं मिलेगा, बैठ जाइए चुपचाप। Next we also again come to a cricketing voice, that's from Ravi Shastri, who was a very famous commentator. Well, there's every chance of this being a cracker of a contest. You mentioned that kept in the batting. Well, this is one batting lineup that on its given day can tear apart any bowling in the world. They know that they're going to be tested, but they would also be knowing that a 50 or 60 from here on will be remembered like 100. Next up, we have the voice of Sachin Tendulkar, again a famous cricketer, everyone's fan of him. Well, yes, that was our plan, you know, to just play out initial few overs because the ball was, to be honest, doing a bit, you know, the sea movement was there and it was also swinging a lot. It was a conscious decision, you know, to just play out the overs, and luckily for us, you know, that it became easier after that, and so we could cash on. Next up, we have the President of United States of America, Mr. Donald Trump. The Prime Minister of India, he's a very good friend of mine. We do very well together, you know, he's an amazing leader, there's very little doubt about it. But the Indians, they have got one of the most obnoxious trade policies in the whole world. They do a lot of trade with us because we charge them virtually nothing, but in return we do very little trade with them. But hey, this is all going to end, that's all going to end very, very soon. Maybe 6 months, or maybe 5, who knows. I was told that, you know, you stop the Russia-Ukraine war, you will be given the Nobel Peace Prize. I said, hey, I just stopped 7 wars in a space of 6 months. Virtually no time. I deserve 7 for that. Next up, we have some spiritual leaders. Again, I have a huge respect for them. This is just for entertainment purposes. First, we have a very respectable leader from ISKCON, Gaur Gopal Das. Failure does not mean the end of life. You see, it does not define who you are as an individual. You know what? This is one story that I keep telling. It's about a king and a hermit. The hermit one day went to the king. The king asked him, Guruji, why do we fail in life? Do you know what the hermit replied? Well, you have no business knowing what he replied because none of you here are a king or a hermit. Next we have Sadhguru. He is also a very respected spiritual leader. Before I answer your question, before you understand what is the meaning of life, you must understand what is a life first. A life is nothing but a four-letter word, which is a beautiful gift from God. Yes or no? Yes it is. And why is it so beautiful? Because it's a gift from God. So, once you know that it's a gift from God, what will you do by knowing its essence? I think you have got the answer to my question. Voice from Amitabh Bachchan from one of his later commercials. अलग अलग भूमिकाएं, अलग अलग इमोशन, डांस, ड्रामा, एक्शन, बेरा डुप्लीकेट्स के फाइट सीन्स, उफ, शरीर जवाब दे देता था। एक एक दिन में 3-3 शिफ्ट। जब फुर्सत मिली तब नींद गायब। मगर इन 35 सालों में एक चमत्कारी चीज हमेशा मेरे साथ रहा, नवरत्न तेल। Now today is the Mahalaya. It's a very auspicious day for the Bengalis, and I have a special for just 2 minutes for only the Bengali people here. But I don't think the others have heard that, although they are very famous singers from Bengal and one of the greatest, if not the greatest. So, but I don't think that because they have not sang so much in Hindi, I don't think too many have heard the voice in the Bengalis. This is the voice of Sandhya Mukherjee from where he is a very famous Bengali singer. from our Hemanta Mukherjee, again a big Bengali singer. জীবন পুরের পথিক রে ভাই কোনো দিশাই সাকিন নাই কোথাও আমার মনের খবর পেলাম না কোথাও আমার মনের খবর পেলাম না Okay, now the next segment is the comic voices, the mimicry for the cartoon voices. These are all done by some of the other voice artists, so none of them are original voices. First, from the sequel of Doraemon, they are the voice of Nobita we have. Please Doraemon क्या तो मुझे प्लीज अपना गैजेट दे सकते हो वरना जियान मुझे बहुत मारेगा सुनियो मेरी खूब पिटाई करेगी प्लीज दे दीजिए Doraemon. From the same cartoon we had the voice of Sunio. हाँ जियान ने बिल्कुल सही कहा तुम्हें अपना गैजेट देना ही होगा. There was another cartoon that came at the time that was Ninja Hattori. You know that we had the voice of the ninja that was ding 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 ding. मुझे यहाँ के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कहनी जी. From the same cartoon we had the voice of Sisimono. It was not a person. It was like more of a voice effect than a voice. I know is हाँ Sisimono वो बहुत भूख लगे मुझे खाने के लिए. We had another cartoon of Make Way for Noddy. You know, the Noddy's voice was very simple one. Hello bhaiya, कहाँ जा रहे हो? But the special voices from those are the two goblins in those cartoons. Sly. इस तरह हम नॉडी को बेवकूफ बना के उसके पैसे हड़प सकते हैं. तुमने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है गॉबो और इस तरह हमें मेहनत भी करनी नहीं पड़ेगी. And we had also the voice of Dobby from Harry Potter. You know this is not the Hollywood voice. This was the dubbed by an Indian mimicry. So we have a voice artist. Dobby को बहुत पछतावा है सर. Dobby ने अपने हाथों को सजा भी दी है. Okay, thank you so much for your patience.